Hi, this is Dr. Wooten. In this presentation, I'm going to make the wheel rotate and we're going to try to make this cart move. So let's go ahead and pick up our wheelbase. We want to attach to the rotating device, which was the tire mount, a new script, which we will call navigate. Let's call this one rotate wheel because this is only going to rotate the wheel when a button is pressed or when a command is given. So we'll make it to where you can operate it with the keyboard for now. So rotate wheel. Alright, so what we will need it to do, we want to edit the script that we just attached to the wheel. And if the input from the get key down, and actually we want it to do it as long as the key is held down. If we put get key down, it does it once while the key is pressed. But if you say get key, then as long as it's being held down, it will perform this operation. So we want the key code to be W. Then if that's true, we want to say rotate. Well, what do we want to rotate? We want to rotate the transform. We'll rotate. We will give it a new vector, and which way do we want it to rotate? We want it to rotate in the Z direction. We're going to say, we're going to base it on the change in time. So time dot delta time. Alright, and that should do it. The only problem is we'll need to make sure that the spokes stay upright. I have a feeling now because the way it's it's not attached, so it shouldn't. I don't have a rigid body on it. Okay, so what we need to do is say we have to be able to touch it. I'm gonna move this up the collider. Let's try that again. Okay, so we didn't it's not above the Alright, so when we last left off, all I had was a wheel. Now, if you can see, I have the full cart. There are a few kinks in it. For example, I see that the wheelbase is a little bit bent. However, it works. Right now, I also set it up with a camera. The camera feeds to the screen underneath it, and I put a few obstacles around the room. So we're going to use the up, down, and right, left arrows. So we're going to go up. I'm going to turn this way and see the filing cabinet. I guess I put the screen upside down. And then we can turn this way and see the desk off into the distance. But let's see if we can get a better view of the wheel and how it works. So what I'm going to do is put the camera here. So I'm going to move it down quite a bit and at an angle. Alright, let's play. Alright, so when we move it forward, it rolls forward. When we turn it, right now the wheels don't really turn it. The cart turns itself, so I'll have to work on that. But as you see with the camera attached, I've also got some of the equipment attached, and it's a work in progress still, but I think it's pretty cool so far.